guest of today's program, Mrs. Merida D. Almeida, former principal of SMS English Medium School, Honorable School Secretary, Mr. Luis Fernandez, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear students, a very good morning to you all. At the heart of true education lies the holistic development of a person, integration of head, heart, and hand. That means we are not here just to gain knowledge, but to develop character and build essential life skills. Follow the rules and regulations, fulfill the aims and objectives of the institution in all honesty, truth and integrity, and also pledge to perform my duties with the spirit of service and cooperation towards principal, staff, and the students.
respected school secretary of this school, Mr. Luis Fernandez, Principal Mrs. Abhilasha, yes, staff and students. It is a great day in your school calendar. Most of you must be eagerly waiting for this day, when to have these badges, when to have this function. And today is the day which will be written in red letters in your life. See, leadership is not just having power or authority. Your actions has to inspire others. That is why you all have to be role model for the younger generation. Learn to respect everyone. It may be, a child may be from 2nd standard or 3rd standard. Don't show your authority over them. Oh, when they are going to the toilet, suppose if that particular child is in that particular toilet, don't push that child, small child, from your toilet and don't go to that side. Respect that child, make the child understand and see that they understood what they have to do. See, this is very important, respecting every individual. He may be small, he may be rich, he may be poor, whatever it is. So, learn to respect. A leader should know how to respect. And not only that, a leader has to always have a vision. So you have to, in order to have vision, you have to dream more and more. Then, when you dream more, actions will come to your mind and you can act. You can show all these things in your action. So this is not a destination. Leadership is not a destination, it is a journey. You are in, 1 year you are getting one excellent task to do. In this journey, you can be a role model for every student. Each one of you can do best of your way and you can do something. This is not only that, various clubs have been inaugurated just now and various skills you have, and those skills you have to collaborate and see that this school will reach the pinnacle. SMS institution is running its 32nd year, isn't it? 32 years. Yes. It is in your hand to see that glory is reached to the highest. Today morning only, I came across 2 students who have just passed out their chartered accountancy. It was a very glorious moment for me when I see the students of this school achieving that kind of success. In the first attempt only, they had cleared this chartered accountancy, CA examination. So I can see many CEOs, many directors, many, beautiful faces can reach various heights. It is in your hand. So don't think that if there is any failure, leadership, you have to face some failures. Not every time you cannot succeed. So in spite of your failures, prove that you are a leader. Let me wish all the student council members and also all the club leaders every success for this academic year and the years come to. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak to you, to the young minds which I love the most. Thank you. God bless you.
Gratitude is not only the greatest of virtues, but the parent of all others. As we conclude, let us all strive to make a positive impact on our school community. Once again, thank you one and all. Have a great day.